Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel. On this channel I help you integrate systems into your backyard that will serve both you and your family for years to come. That kind of thing can be called permaculture, and it's really quite easy. The process involves creating a few simple systems and essentially restoring the natural health of your backyard. Integrating permaculture into your life and your family's life is really to explore the deeper connections you have with the earth itself, and intensely meaningful. Can even result in having some cute little bunnies. In my new series, EYBY Explorer, I'm going to push the bounds of my understanding of permaculture and reach out to old friends and new friends as we explore what's available in our world. So let's all explore the new possibilities and not just be the next boring yard. Let's go beyond our shores and explore possibilities that are right in front of us. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as new videos come out all the time. Also, tell a friend, send out a link to EYBY on Facebook. It's best when we all get together and participate on the live chats, which I also do. Look forward to seeing you there, and thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard. Keep it growing.